Presentation of the Cataglobe wrench. Vessels are fitted with arms that increase the cleanup width up to 4 meters. A surface of 10,000 square meters is cleaned in 1 hour. Arms collect floating waste and follow it into a basket, which is discharged on the deck. For the liquid waste recovery, arms are fitted with booms. These arms lead the liquid waste into the flow created by the turbine, and it is stored floating in the hydrocarbon tank. A test of the oil spill has been done in a particular pool. The turbine creates a stream which sucks up all floating waste. 2 cubic meters of hydrocarbons is stored floating in the hydrocarbon tank. And is transferred with the pump. The basket filters all solid waste. Due to the accident, 300 cubic meters of crude oil was spread in the Amsterdam harbor. 3 Cataglobes were urgently employed in the recovery operation, and working continuously the oil spill was rapidly recovered. The stream created by Cataglobe allows the recovery of the waste from unreachable angles. Vessels are very maneuverable even at rough sea. Cataglobe is very efficient for the duckweed recovery. Duckweed is stopped by the basket. Two tons were collected in 1 hour. A removable weed cutter can be installed at the front of Cataglobes. The height of cutter can be adjusted. Seaweed is sucked up and filtered with the basket. Cataglobe wrench vessels are service barges. Despite its recovery qualities, the Cataglobe 66 has removable wheels that allow launching it by one person. All Cataglobes are very resistant and simple to use. They are entirely built of aluminium under the Bureau Veritas certification and inspection. The Cataglobe 83 is able to move at 19 knots out of a harbor. The Cataglobe 92 has a good marine behavior. Fitted with rollers, it can move easily between boats, along floating pontons and quaysides.